Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to prepare seed from papaya fruit. So generally whenever we means you can say take seeds from any ripe uh, papita and we show it, then sometimes we get male as well as female flower, uh, female plant from such type of seedlings, and they will create problems such a way that when means we pour and we take care, and after some you can say 2 or 4 months we get such type of so many male plants. So to avoid such type of a male plant from the seed, and if you want 100% female plant from seed, so what we have to do? So uh, I would like to request you, whenever you select or take such type of papita from market or papaya from market or elsewhere, then what after that? So whenever you means cut such type of a papaya, you must collect or gather the seeds which are you can say below side, lower side of that papaya. Consider that this one is a lower part, downward part, which is you can say swollen in size, and the upper part of papaya where you see the stalk, so that half part should not be used for taking out the seed. So first of all, you have to cut from the middle such a way. Now see here, means 50% from the 50%, and the part which is swollen, understand, such a way which is which I have taken in my hand, that lower parts seeds should be used for you can say taking seedlings uh, in the pocket. Now see, cut the lower parts into four parts such a way. Now see here. Now the upper part is there. There also we are looking seeds, but you should not use those seeds because there will be no guarantee that 100% you can say female plant will be you can say we get. Now after that you have to take out all the seeds from the pieces of papaya. See here. Now such a way we gather all the seeds in the plate. So one thing I would like to tell you, that those you can say uh, male plants, whenever you observe in your courtyard or elsewhere, you have to use bamboo sticks for penetrating horizontally in plus direction, or any iron rod. After some days, means after 6 to 7 months, you will get that plant will be converted into female plant. But I am not means giving assurance that 100% success rate you will get. Already there is my one video in my video playlist, that how to convert male plant into female plant already, and that method is not new or searched by me. Only those things are you can say delivered by traditional ways. So after collecting these seeds, you have to keep all the seeds in the water in any plastic or steel pot, and wash them such a way by giving pressure. All the seeds should be washed such a way, because on every seed you will see the layer, sticky layer. You have to break it by rubbing on each other such a way. And now those means seeds which are floating on the upper layer of water or the top layer of water, they are not fully matured seeds. So take out all the floating seeds out of the pot, and those seeds which are settled at the bottom of the pot, you have to use those seeds for germination purpose or for preparation of seedlings. Now such a way you have to take out all the floating seeds. The same method should be applied in all the seeds while taking for procedure of germination. It may be coriander, it may be methi, it may be any type of plant seed. So such a way you can find out those means, you can say, matured seeds and unmatured seeds. Those seeds which settle at the bottom of the water, they are considered as, you can say, matured seeds, and those seeds should be used for plantation or germination. Now we have taken all the seeds which are at the bottom of the water. Now what type of a soil should be used? You can take cocoa also for preparation or germination of seeds. So you have to take soil 50% and 50% compost or any vermicompost etc, and then spread it and such a way, and cover 1 to 2 centimeter layer of soft soil. Soil should not be hard, top layer soil. Now as in this, you can say, pot there is too much water, and that's why we are looking such type of a mud there, but you should not do such a way. You have to use, you can say, dry soil, and then after, you can say, pouring all the seeds in the soil and covering 2 centimeter layer above the seeds, then you have to pour water completely, and after, you can say, 20 to 30 days you will see the little plants, and after getting height of, you can say, 8 to 10 centimeter, you can plant it any